Good afternoon, everyone. This is Kritika Tripathi, and today I am here with my guest Anuj. So, Anuj, please introduce yourself.
Well, hello Kritika, hello everyone. I am Anuj Kumar. I am a student of MBA Strategic Finance Management EY in UPES.
Okay. So, Anuj, what do you think? Uniform should be compulsory for interviews and placements?
Well, I don't think that uniform should be compulsory. I think that whenever the interviews are conducted, it should be a very relaxed environment where we are wearing whatever we feel comfortable in. Like someone will feel like casuals are comfortable, someone may feel like formals are comfortable. So they should have that option. Like if the focus should be more on what we are thinking, like what is the requirement of the recruiter. So the focus should be on those questions, on those requirements. Focus should not be on the what we are wearing.
Don't you think that casuals will bring unbiasedness in these interviews?
Well, if we think from that perspective, and if the recruiters are focusing on what the students are wearing, only then the biases will be coming into the picture. But if the recruiters are thinking only about what the credentials of the students, what are there on the CV, and what they have achieved in life, if they focus on those things, then the attire and whatever we are wearing, that will come out of the picture. They will not focus on that.
Okay, so what if the recruiter, see if uniforms are there, so recruiter will have this in mind that yes, we have to take in some certain people. Don't you think casuals will distract the mind of those recruiters?
Well, again, it always depends on who the recruiters are. Like if they are mature enough, if they have enough experience, and they are at a very higher level in the organizations, then they focus only on the things which will be beneficial for the company, which will be beneficial for them, and only the talented people who can contribute for the betterment of that company. Only those people, they will be interested in only those qualities, what they are wearing and what they show. That will not be their focus. Like if we see, like in today's time, many CEOs are coming in very casual attire. If we see Mark Zuckerberg, the Facebook CEO, he always wears t-shirts. So even in the interviews, if he goes to the Congress in US, even there he wears casual attire. So it does not matter to anyone in the US. So we can have that kind of environment here in India also. If we become too mature and we focus only on the things at hand, what is the matter and what do you bring to the table for that particular company, then it will not matter too much for everyone.
Okay, so do you think that wearing formals really helps a recruiter to recruit certain candidate for their company? Does it brings discipline into their company? Does it really brings what mannerism is in general?
I think like it depends on what kind of company that is. If it is a very new age company, if it is a startup, then the startup has a very young and energetic kind of environment where they don't focus too much on the attire. They have very young crowd, very vibrant crowd. So they don't focus on what they are wearing. They always wear very casual or whatever they want to do. But if it is a very established organization, very old organization, then they have too much focus on what we are wearing. They always want you people in the formals. So it all depends on the age of that company and what kind of product that company is giving to the market.
Okay, so my last question to you would be, what do you think? If you are getting recruited in a company, would it be easier for you to go in casuals every day and work effectively and efficiently, or you have to wear formals every single day?
Well, I would be happy to be in an environment where we can wear anything, whatever we want. We should not have that headache in our mind, like tomorrow we have to get that uniform ready, like we have to iron that, we have to do so much to keep that. So we should not have that headache in mind, and we should be very comfortable. Like if we are spending 8 to 10 hours at a place, and if we are not very comfortable in that environment, then it is not good. Then I would always love to work in that environment where we have the freedom to do what we want to do, and we can wear what we want to do.
Okay, it was great insights by you. Thank you for joining. It was really appreciating talking to you.
Well, thanks Kritika, and it was great talking to you, and thanks to the audience also.